Now that we know exactly what a worksheet is, let's look at them in a little more detail. Worksheets are easy to navigate, and there are plenty of ways you can optimize your worksheet view to make it easier to view your data. Use the vertical scroll bar on the right to scroll up or down, and this horizontal scroll bar at the bottom to scroll left or right. If you want to zoom in or out on a particular area of your worksheet, just expand the View ribbon and you will see some shortcut zoom commands. If you choose Zoom to Selection, Excel will automatically zoom in to optimize the cell or area currently selected. If you click on the zoom icon right here, you will also have an option to select preset zoom levels or input a custom zoom level. The default zoom level on a worksheet is 100%. So if we want to zoom in, we can choose or enter a value above 100. Here we go. And if we want to zoom out, just select a value below 100, or you can enter a value below 100 in the custom zoom level box, and voila! The status bar at the bottom right of your worksheet allows you to switch between three views: Normal View, Page Layout View, and Page Break View. The default view for all worksheets is the Normal View, and worksheets appear like the one on your screen right now. The Page Layout View shows you how your worksheet will look when printed, subject to the print settings you have defined. We will look at printing in more detail later on. The Page Break View is helpful when we want to print sheets that contain a lot of data. It allows you to adjust the page boundaries that define what data will fit on each printed page. By default, new workbooks contain just one worksheet called Sheet 1, but it's simple to add or delete worksheets. To add a new worksheet, click on the plus symbol, and a new worksheet will appear to the right of all existing sheets. If you have multiple sheets and wish to insert a new worksheet next to a particular sheet, just right-click on that sheet's tab and select Insert Worksheet. This will create a new worksheet to the immediate left of the selected worksheet tab. The keyboard shortcut to do this is Shift F11. Now to delete a worksheet, right-click on its tab and click Delete. It's as simple as that. We can also change the order of worksheets by simply clicking and holding down the Worksheet tab, then drag it to where you want it to move to. A small arrow marker will guide you to the possible positions as you drag the worksheet. Let go when it's in the right place. Another way to do this is to right-click the Worksheet tab and select Move or Copy. You can then indicate over here where you want to move the selected worksheet to. You can also use this Move or Copy option to duplicate a worksheet. Right-click the Worksheets tab, select Move or Copy, and then tick Create a Copy. An identical copy of your worksheet will be created, containing all data and formatting. At the same time, you can indicate where you would like the copy to be placed. If you want it placed before a particular worksheet, select that worksheet in this list. Otherwise, you can select Move to End, and your copy will appear as the last worksheet tab. It will have the same name as the original worksheet with the version number indicated in brackets. We can name our worksheets for convenience, and you should do this especially if you have lots of sheets in the same file. To change the name of a worksheet, just double-click on the Worksheet tab and enter the new name. Then press Enter or click anywhere outside the tab and your new name will be reflected. Alternatively, you can right-click on the tab and select Rename from the menu and enter your chosen name. You can also change the color of worksheet tabs, which is a great way to organize them. To do this, right-click on the tab you wish to customize and choose a color from the Tab Color menu. We now know the ins and outs of worksheet features. We have learned how to navigate worksheets, optimize worksheet view, add and delete worksheets, adjust the position of worksheets within a workbook, copy and rename worksheets, and change the color of worksheet tabs.